everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a customized playlist in Spotify. This is a great way to organize your favorite songs and personalize your music experience. First, open the Spotify desktop app. Now look at the left sidebar. Click Create button, then click Playlist. As you can see, your playlist has been created. Now let's customize the playlist to match your style. Click the playlist or the three dots menu, then select Edit Details. From here, you can change the playlist name, add description, and upload a custom cover image. You can make it match your mood, favorite genre, aesthetic, or personal style. Once you're done editing, click Save. And just like that, your personalized Spotify playlist is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching.